In our previous lecture, using useSelector hook, we are able to access complete state, and using useDispatch, we have dispatched our action. But the problem is we are getting this weird response. And why we are getting this response? Because our front-end application is running on 5173 port. And let me open backend. Inside that, I will open server.js, and our backend application will be running on port 8000. And whenever we have tested all the APIs, we are using port 8000. So both front-end and backend applications are running on different port. So that is the reason I am not able to access complete response from the backend. So what we will do, inside this front end, let me open front end folder. If you are using Vite, then here we will have this file vite.config.js. Inside this file, we are going to add proxy. If you want, you can also use Force to connect front end and back end. But while deploying this project, I will be using same server. So in that case, I do not need Course. So that is the reason temporary while working in local machine, I will be adding proxy here so that I can easily connect my front end and back end. So below this, I will be writing server property. Inside this server, I'm just going to access this proxy property. And here I will be writing /API, exact same thing you have to pass. And inside this, I'm just going to give the target. And inside this target, I have to give URL of my backend. So here I will write HTTP localhost, and where our backend is running, it is running on port 8000. So in this way, I have to connect, and this exact same path we have also used while working with Postman. Now I will open new terminal. Inside this, I will start my backend application. npm run start. Now you can see my backend application is running. Close this, come here, refresh once. Now you can see successfully I am able to access all the products. And these products are nothing but whatever products I have added, that products I am able to access. I will open terminal. You can see inside this response, current page is 1, product count is 6, and in each page I am telling I have to show 3 products. So that is the reason 3 products are shown. Success is through, and in total I will be having 2 pages. Why? Because inside this first page only 3 products will be shown, and this is my fulfilled response. You can see successfully I am able to access all the products, and whatever products I am having in backend, I am able to access complete thing. You can see inside this image whatever data I have given, whatever reviews, entire thing I am able to access. In this response, whatever I am getting, let me show you this response, exact same response which we have passed inside product controller.js. Let me open product controller. So for getting all the products, all these properties we have passed as the response. So exact same thing we are going to get in the response. Now here result per page, I have passed 3. I will be passing 6. Now let me refresh. You can see I am able to display 6 products. I will open this success through. Product count is 6. Total pages is 1, and result per page is 6. And inside this products, I will be having 6 product data. Now this entire product data I am able to access from API. Inside this, I will be passing 4. Save this. Let me refresh. Now here, I will only have 4 products data. Okay, initially it is loading. Let me refresh once. You can see only 4 products data will be displayed. But what I will do, temporary inside backend, for this images, I will be adding one path. For that, First, inside my product, inside frontend, inside public, inside this images folder, I have just pasted this same image. Now I will open MongoDB. I'm just going to open my database, and here I'm having products. In total, I'm having 6 products. Now this is the image. I will open this, and inside this URL, I'm just going to pass the path. Let me remove this entire thing. My image is present inside public folder. So in this way, I will be passing /public. Inside that, I'm having images. Inside images, I'm having temp, and for this image, extension is JPG. From here, I will copy this entire data and click on update. Let me refresh my project. You can see I am able to display this image. So whatever path I have given in backend, I am able to access that path and I am able to display this image. Now I will be fixing the styling. Do not worry. Now exact same path I will be passing for all the URLs. Okay. Later when we set up Cloudinary, that time we will be getting images path from the Cloudinary. As of now, I will be passing the same path. After adding, refresh this. Now successfully from backend, I am able to access all the images. I am able to access product name, product price, how many reviews I am having, and finally I am having this view details button. Here from this front end, I'm just going to open this product.jsx. Here we are having this image. For this, I will be giving the class name. Class name I will be passing product image card. If you have already downloaded the styling, inside that we have given all the styling for that product image card. Now I will come here. You can see this will be my output. So whatever stylings I have given, successfully I am able to apply the styling and I am able to access all the products from backend.